Have you ever heard of a cornbread cookie? Well, let me tell you, this is CRUMBL Cookie's #1 best-selling cookie, and we're making it today. So let's get started. Alright guys, so to start these cookies, it's fairly simple. The mixture of these ingredients is so unique. It's like no other cookie you have ever tried before. I'm gonna cream together the sugar and the butter. This is brown sugar and regular sugar. There we go. So I like to use my butter a little bit chilled still so that it doesn't have to chill once you roll it into balls. If it's like completely room temp and almost melted, you're gonna have to chill the dough. So you know me, I'm always in a hurry, so I just have it a little bit chilled. This is 2 egg yolks going in, and then this is some honey, a half a cup. This honey is so good. It really pulls through in the cookie. This cookie, it kind of resembles like graham crackers. Secret ingredients, butter extract, 1 teaspoon. And then we have our cornmeal. This is medium ground cornmeal. I like it for its color. It's really bright yellow, but you could use any kind of cornmeal or corn flour. Make sure it's not cornstarch. Now for the dry ingredients. This is all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm scooping out, heaping half a cupfuls of dough onto this parchment lined baking sheet. Make sure you got big scoops because we all know that CRUMBL cookies are very big. And this dough smells incredible. Now make sure they're about 2 inches apart. I'm gonna bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 10 to 15 minutes. These ones, they're really big. So I'm gonna do more towards 15 minutes. All right guys, they're ready. Wow, they're a little bit tall, so I'm gonna bang them down on the counter just to spread them out a little. While the cookies are cooling on the rack, you could go ahead and make the glaze that goes on top. Now, some of the CRUMBL cookie places, they don't put, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but online they actually have kind of like a different look than the actual CRUMBL store. I don't know if the employees get like too lazy to add the glaze, or like, I've had this cornbread cookie with glaze, but this one that I got today, it doesn't have glaze. See, look, I went to CRUMBL and got this one. It just has like the honey drizzle. But online it has the glaze, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how to make it. I'm gonna put some butter in a saute pan with a cup of powdered sugar. Secret ingredients, a teaspoon of this butter emulsion. This looks good. And as if this cookie wasn't indulgent enough, we're gonna make the honey butter that goes on top now. All right guys, time for the best parts. Could you tell which one is mine and which one is CRUMBL's? There's CRUMBL's, there's mine. I'm gonna try CRUMBL's first. Let's look at CRUMBL's texture first. It's very, you could tell this is a chewy cookie. That's the inside. Honey butter, this one's a little bit cold, so. Let's get a little honey butter. It's just like a block of frosting. There's not much flavor to it. This tastes like a sugar cookie with like cornmeal, very doughy. The frosting, I can't really taste butter. I mean, I can't really taste honey. Okay, That really had no distinct flavor. It just tastes like a sugar cookie. All right, let's try mine now. This is what it looks like when you break it open. Ooh, yummy. Oh. Looks pretty similar texture-wise. I'm gonna try that part. Looks really gooey. Cheers. It's really strong. It bursts out, like you could taste the honey, the caramelized butter. This tastes really caramelized. Wow. The salt, you know how this recipe has a little salt? It like really brightens everything up. It enhanced all the flavors. You could tell because it kind of is like, it really like accentuated the taste. It's to die for. I could tell you now, like CRUMBL cookie, they should brown the bottom of their cookies. It adds so much more definition to the cookie. Hello? Just kidding. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out some of my other CRUMBL copycat videos. I'll leave the links in the description down below. If you tried this recipe out, be sure to leave a comment. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.